Jigme, an aspiring youth on his very first day of college, with little nervousness, a little excitement, and a lot more determination. Little did he know about how his long-awaited the first day of college is going to take a turn. Soon, he feels a seldom fickleness in his determination when he finds that accepting differences and differences being accepted is not an easy task. His emerging rays of hope were overshadowed by the uncertain new faces around him and their uncertain remarks. It's not that his new classmates were any fond of racism, nor they were anti-supporters of Tibet. It is that it's heartbreaking when your own identity is uncertain. But he is evidently not happy with the responses. He feels a sudden mixed doses of emotion. And deep within him, he knows this is definitely not what he wants.
Are you from China? Are you related to Jackie Chan?
But this is the reality. This is where we stand. And the answer never lies in escaping from the reality.
Can you teach me Chinese, Jake?
The answer lies in accepting and facing the reality. After a few days of contemplating ideas and ideals, his partially crushed ambitions were rebuilt when he decides to create his identity with certainty.
It's all in my head. It's all in my head.
He goes to college wearing his favorite sweatshirt, on which his identity is coined in a beautiful writing which says, "I am Tibet."
You hear them talking, think they want you dead. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. It's all in